You are gonna wanna make these crispy, crunchy oven potatoes. Scrub 3 russet potatoes, 350 grams each, cut thick slices and soak in cold water. Drain and add more water, boil for 12 minutes. Potatoes shouldn't be too soft. Now drain the hot potatoes again, add your seasonings and herbs, add olive oil and flour, mix very well. Spread in one layer in a baking sheet. I line mine with parchment paper for easy cleanup. You're gonna bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Take out of the oven, flip on the other side, put back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until crispy and golden. And enjoy some addictive crispy potatoes. Serve with your favorite sauce and steak and enjoy.